have rose campion to deadhead. Just snip the stem where it meets the rest of the stem. This one looks like it might have a flower growing right here, so you want to cut just the spent part. There's a bloom past its prime. You can cut it right here if you're hoping that more flowers will grow from there, or down here. Here's a little portion that has a bloom. This section has spent blooms right here, but it also has what looks like maybe a flower, so I'm just going to be careful not to cut that off. Another bud right there. There's a spent bloom and a bud. Here's a broken stem. Here's a close-up of a seed pod and the seeds inside. You can cut here and hope you get a flower right here. You can cut it lower, here, or even here, since you do have another spent bud right here. But I'm just going to cut off the spent bud because I'm hoping for more flowers. Here are a couple new buds with the spent flower. Little fuzzy wuzzies. This bud you can see a little bit of pink. There, and enjoy your super bright pink blooms and fuzzy stems and leaves.